Alright, you guys. Today I went to Walmart again. I got the brand new Chilean hot dogs. It's funny because of the name. And we got the rim covers back in, which is nice. It was kind of scratched. Hopefully they're not scratched. Hopefully not. Full of fingerprints like the Monster Corvette. Remember that? Chilean hot dogs name. New for 2026. Or like I say, 2026 new truck. Name, Chilean hot dogs. Truck type, hatchback. Strength, catching up, crash attack, rush delivery. So all you need is rescue rampager, Ford F-150. Tuck and roll. SpongeBob in the Flintmobile. Warner Bros. On there. Firestone. Chilean hot dogs are render. There's a lot code right there. U51. So it was produced in the 51st week of 2026, I guess, if I'm correct. Or 2025. But it is a new truck for this year. Right, further ado, unboxing. Ooh. Oh, the rims have a scuff mark on them. It's fine. As you can see, the chrome, like... Is that fingerprints? Looks like it has fingerprints. These chrome ones always have fingerprints, which is weird. Chilean hot dogs. There's a little hot dog guy right there. He's right there relaxing. I like the yellow. It looks like a mustard yellow. No headlight printing. Chrome grill. The little red and white tile on the back, like the actual hot dog boxes. Hot Wheels on the tires. I love those rim covers. I'll clean that right now if it's fingerprints. There's the back, Chilean hot dogs. And there's a blue windshield. Hold on, let me go ahead and pause it and clean this real quick. Hold on. Okay, I did a little improvement on the... It looks a little bit more chrome now. There it is. So alright guys, on the dark green roll cage on the black chest, I forgot to mention that. Like, subscribe, comment, share, because that's all I got today. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.